right? You don't want to be a fucking loser to your girlfriend. Like, you don't want to appear like a fucking loser in front of your girlfriend, right? I love you, but I cannot commit right now because I'm poor. And do that enough times, you know what happens? Your girlfriend says, fuck you! I'm gonna go fuck somebody else now.
Hey Tom, it's the one and only Floyd Money Mayweather. First I want to say congratulations on your YouTube channel. Everybody needs to follow your YouTube channel. So what everyone needs to do is subscribe to Tom Peng. Great guy, great person. Tom, keep up the great work.
So let's talk about why you're in sales. Why are you in sales? Yeah, well, I see you. You got my attention.
Rồi, tôi nhìn thấy bạn A1 là có.
Why are you in sales?
Thì kiếm được nhiều tiền để cưới vợ mua nhà.
Okay, he's motivated. He wants to buy a house. He wants to get married. And that is a very important, that is a very strong motivator. Love. Right? You don't want to be a fucking loser to your girlfriend. Like, you don't want to appear like a fucking loser in front of your girlfriend, right? I love you, but I cannot commit right now because I'm poor. And do that enough times, you know what happens? Your girlfriend says, fuck you! I'm gonna go fuck somebody else now. It's true. Yeah, they only have so much time. They have biological clock. The clock is ticking. They have a womb. It will expire after a number of years. You don't buy the house, you don't take care of me, this womb goes to somebody else. Is that right?
Yes.
Oh really? I don't know, I just make it up. But that's true. So that's a very strong motivator to get married. You're doing this for love, so you better not fail. Otherwise it's going to be very miserable. What kind of house you want to buy?
Mua nhà ở quận 12.
2T in District 12. How long your girlfriend will wait for you?
3 năm.
Really? They laugh. Really? 3 years? Are you sure? I say 6 months. You got 6 months, buddy. Alright, you got 6 months. Today's your lucky day. Because we're gonna actually help you do that in 6 months or less. You're gonna take the key to your new apartment or your new house in 6 months. If you follow everything I teach you today. That's the key. You gotta do what I teach you. If you do another way, I don't know. Right? If you follow my way, 6 months, you got the key. And then you go to your girlfriend and you say, let's get married. Let's get married in hometown, in Ho Chi Minh, big wedding party, collect all the money from the guests, all right, and make babies. How many babies you want?
2.
Hi, only 2.
Sao có 2 đứa vậy?
Only 2? I want more. Last week somebody want 8. I say I will beat them because salespeople need to win, right? So he said 8. I'm gonna do 10. But 2 is. All right. 6 months. You want to know how to do it? Stay till the end. Tell you how to do it around 5 o'clock. So yes, A1, 100 points. So the reason why we're in sales is because we want to make a lot of money. If you work for Starbucks, if you work for Highland Coffee, you will be perpetually poor. You're not going to buy a house on a salary. It's mathematically not possible. You'll work for the rest of your life and perpetually poor and single and no babies. I don't think anybody here wants that, right?
Yes.
And if you're a girl, I'll just marry somebody rich.
Bạn là nữ, bạn nói thôi để em thôi cưới đại thằng nào giàu giàu là được rồi.
Well, rich people have high standards. You're also competing with a lot of other girls. So I think you should do it for yourself. Don't wait for somebody to spoon feed you. And that there's nothing more sexy than a successful career woman. Like they're independent, they're financially independent, and when men see that, it's sexy. I think so. You know, like some guys they like tits and ass. I like somebody who's financially independent. I guess I'm looking for a sugar mommy. right? Anyways, where am I? That's why we're in sales. We want to make a lot of money. And sales is the way to do it. And the only two ways: start your own business, solve a problem in society, but that takes a lot of money. And 90% of startups fail. But in sales, you don't have to spend any of your own money. That's why I think everybody should start from sales.